Yeah, I'm not such a good person to talk, but I have to talk a little bit. Now finally we got to our last evening, and to me it feels as if we just have been here for 2 days or so. So yeah, it's always kind of a little bit a sad moment also, because we have to say goodbye. But first I just want to say really big thank you to all of you who came here all the long way to Kulloq to do this project together with us. So it's an evening for you, but also for the village, to celebrate that we did a fantastic work together. Takwa Pishnu, Yashamu, Kisiani Amnuna Kafi Dama, Pishnu, Pisutingan Damata, Sudapatini Suta. Fantastic, how can I translate fantastic? You are not going you, so make Surya Namasi. Okay? We did not finish all the houses, and we knew that we wouldn't do this from the start. But I just counted, I think we finished 16 to 17, I'm not quite sure, 16 to 17 houses up to today, and there are still 3 almost finished. Narinira put asakatani isu tamasa nama sisinaira laut kisiani ukwa usu ikitimu narani isu saisni mani sut misani nama sinikua dan tohektohi. And the group, working together, got better and better over the time, because people got to know each other better and better. So also the houses, finishing the houses got quicker and quicker. Yesterday you finished a huge house in only 1 day, so that's really amazing. Dan sudah patsingina, usul inasanani. Pitana ini ko pisutinga no ini kanina ni kuput tawa ansulia ikani ku wasi tawa ipata asa sutingalo isu aniso yutswa uswa ataso iluani namasi ni kubo. Yes. Alicia kehmu asakatani okani kumut man atasi nikata okani kumut Alicia pasingaput iluami imakukiomana sulian sinagilamut atat iluami pasisaya kaput paput kanok iluami sulian sinawo su sunak pisaya kaput isiani sisimatinganu atau tuset ilai nasiusimawat dama alienga ikuput ikut maka okasinau ayang apat asal sini kuput tawa takwa sini suliani kuput dama me asal am ingasat sini sinanike kisiani takwa akai ima nekata nama sisa am asal bikisu suliase nama sini regarding the roofs, we knew always that we couldn't do much with the roofs, but you decided to do the worst houses, and this took a long time, but now we can say the worst houses are also kind of done, and probably won't rain anymore. So, and that's a big job. And you did also some small jobs. So thank you to the roof team. Utomi ama Josh uanalu angalaniku nuna kafunita aslaniku sutamasa misisap pakut pangut tawa aslaniku wakut suna ini mana pok kisaya kapok kisiani ang takua put ima isut ilai sulia angisolon ini mana pok takua play dasar tanya kaput dawa am play dasar tanya pengi pada am sulia so to play kisini asik pada sini sulia pangyapo. Tana naliliingu mapaput tawa nalipun apani am tapi sa pangyapo inga sa pangyapo ta nalipun apani nasa sinaw. Josh and I we went for a long walk today and checked on all the houses what should be done, and we also saw that some houses are really in a bad shape, and that probably there has to be done a big work like changing all the sites. So we will evaluate all this and think about possibilities, and hopefully we'll get some funding next year and see if we can do something about this next year. Yeah, the kitchen team, I have to mention that without the kitchen team, we also couldn't have done all this, because when you work hard, you also have to eat. And they made great food and were there all day in the kitchen. Am takwa pakai pata am kasinang ilamut pisutia sudia kaita am nasa ayam ta tamat ikarimi sudia tamamet ikarimi tut am kuyana yuswa. Täällä sylkätään sun manimi, okaput, uamut, inga slaptukku. Aslapata, suli amitisa kappo, ikatut, amersunawa. Täällä amas, tämän kalisia, akaputalo, elää. Kanok inga sinawaput, akasaatiin sinawaput. Täällä nuona pavok, mansusa katsihino, nuona sun ingatani kuvo, isä ingatapito. Namino, akai kurino, kikipsuno katamu nuppe, akai kurino amani, naapapin jappuhus. Täällä sudiasa, ingasan jappuhus. Tohai! That the people from here, that they will want to continue this great work and want to continue working together and fixing the house. Yeah, that's been the best. So, yes. Yeah, so now there is some Greenlandic food over there, and this is especially made for you. So you can taste the Greenlandic food. It's polar bear, and now weigh frikadella. And meatballs. Thank you. Yes. Now we're meatballs. These are 3 plates there, and you should eat first because it's also your dinner. And after that, if there is something left, the others can also taste. But for the others, there is also other things like pizza and cakes. When you look up, kananimina, ama amaka, sanasmawai, asini tingasut, kuyamusukpo, amaka itua am kalia akisimawa, tamame asut kuyamusukpo, The Greenlandic food is from the woman where you fix the roof the first day. She cannot be here, but Ole's wife, yes. But she is so grateful that she said she wants to give something to this party and that you can taste it. Yeah. So, yeah.
That's not something you get every day.
So I would say, takwa sifik nari yappa, dan kalani no, asan kalra pata, isi am, uso sinawa si, sinari mida si ila. Yeah. Da ilisinut pizza anka pizza ilisut anka pepperappo. Yeah. Passing up. Okay, so you go
Heil snel. Heil.
Mama. Mama.
Mama.
Ona mama kaya. Nagsisilete.
This wonderful paring writ. That's a very special winner cake. And she made it also to say thank you for that you painted her house and it looks so wonderful now. So she made it especially also for me and for you. We have some little presents prepared for you. So we hope that you won't forget to toss up. And you will have this to remember and to come back. Perhaps. We hope. So Marianne, she made something for the women. And I got something for the men. So do you want to do this first? Okay, so Jessica, would you like to come here? You know that is actually not allowed to export them, but you just
Swallow it.
So if you put it in your, for example, they check a lot at the security. If you have some sanitary bag, so put it there. Yeah, put it in the hand luggage. And they wear it. Yeah, then say you have had it for a long time.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's for a special animal in Denmark. So I think they got
Martika and Jim Rock, they have something for Jessica.
from the field. Oh, she's
Kaikki mga luna ni utos na tunatagdagan.
from the young.
Tapos nga nagsi kumatan na mga ilasing ayon sa bata sa met ante sa tuwa pasimit. Ito maamat ni nga miya.
Small pool. He was clean.
Australia oitini boksissa atikken tunnikka. Täällä on iso laittaa. Iso laittaa. Alkos on taudullis mga pesimitan.
It helped me to keep it off, and I can keep it. And then after, no, he made this, and yesterday I tried to. Yeah. He made it. When he tried to learn how to do it for real, so they
just need to find something.